Example. Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Whenever we sneeze, we must say Alhamdulillah. And if we hear someone sneezing and then saying Alhamdulillah, we must reply by saying Yarhamukallah. Okay?
Yarhamukallah.
Yes. And if they don't say Alhamdulillah, then we don't say Yarhamukallah.